Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. Yes, we are there. As you can see, it is Friday the 8th of December 2023. We had to celebrate all those children in Year 3, Year 4, Year 5 and Year 6 who've just been so brilliant throughout this week. But actually, they've been brilliant all term long, because you'll hear by that and how kind they are, how brilliant, how hard-working they are as well. So let's start this morning in Year 3. And in Year 3, we've got Mr. Starling, Mr. George. This child works incredibly hard, day in and day out, and does everything as asked, exactly how they're asked to do it. They set a shining example of what a Year 3 child should look like with their behaviour for learning and attitude towards work. There it is, as I said right at the beginning. They work extremely hard on Times Table Rockstar, reading at home and spelling shed. It is a pleasure to have them within the class and at Marcos Primary School. Come on in, Smiley. Georgia, there she is. Well done, Georgia, you little superstar. Really brilliant. You won the golden ticket. Working so hard. I am so pleased for you, so really well done. Just making me smile, so I'm so chuffed. Well done. Enjoy taking that home today. I know Jamie will be proud as well, so well done. On to Miss Beggan. Miss Beggan says, this child is always the first to ask an adult for help. They go above and beyond to support others and prepare the classroom ready for learning. They do this without any expectation of rewards. So lovely to see such a generous and considerate young girl. Indeed, there is. Just being kind. It doesn't cost anything. Despite any challenges they may face with their learning, their willingness attitude gets them through and has helped them make excellent progress during the recent weeks. So there is, throughout this term. Well done to this little superstar. Come on in. Yes, there she is. Look, Scarlett. Look at that. You superstar. Well done. Well done, Scarlett. Thank you for working so hard. Thank you for being so helpful and kind and helping out as well. You've won the golden ticket. Enjoy taking that home today. I know your sister's going to be proud of you, so well done. Keep it up. On to Miss White, and this person is starting to show newfound belief and confidence in themselves. They're quiet and hardworking and yet still smiley with a great sense of humour. They really are, just making me smile now thinking about it. They have loved the new app, MathsWiz, and has made so much progress in a very short amount of time. They really have. Nearly 6 months progress, so a bit of a clue there. This week's golden ticket winner, this 4LW, goes to, there he is, Henry. Look at this, look how hard he's working. Yes, Henry, all that work is paying off. You know that. You know from the maths that you are doing. Really well done. I know Gretel's going to be proud of you as well, so well done. Enjoy taking a golden ticket home today, you superstar. Well done. On to Miss Atherton says that this week our golden ticket goes to someone that is a kind and thoughtful member of our class. There it is again, being kind. They have an infectious smile that lights up our class and a great sense of humour too. This child has been working hard across all areas of the curriculum. This was evident in their tests results last week, it really was. They always read more than 5 times a week, complete quizzes on spelling sheet and battles on Times Table Rockstar daily. They really do. Keep believing in yourself. You are a little superstar. You really are. Golden ticket goes to, come on in, Lola. What done, Lola, mate? Yes. And you scored about 11 goals as well on Wednesday in that games lesson of the handball. It was brilliant. So really well done. I've never seen someone so determined. You've won the golden ticket. So really well done. Enjoy taking it home today, superstar. Well done. On to Year 5, Miss Percy says, golden ticket in 5JP is very reliable. In every lesson, they keep their head down and quietly get on with exactly what they have been asked to do. They think carefully about how to be successful in a lesson, listen well during discussion, and because of this, always produce their best work. They really do. They're kind, polite, and they are in school every day, which means they will continue to make excellent progress. They really will. Throughout this year, the keeping and being in school every day really helps. A huge well done to, come on in, Lilith. There she is. Look at that lovely smile. Lilith. Really well done. I know your sister's going to be proud of you as well. Well done. Enjoy taking a golden ticket home today, you superstar, and keep up all that hard work. Well done. On to Miss Barrett says this week's golden ticket winner is always making the right choice. They persevere when things are challenging. They're polite and helpful to others, and they've really impressed us recently with their confidence to put their hand up, to share ideas, and answer questions in lessons. They really are. They've been working so hard to read at least 5 times a week at home, and they're making fantastic progress with their reading because of this. They really are. Golden ticket goes to, come on in, Lee. Look at that. Yes, Lee. You won the golden ticket. Well done, buddy. Just keep believing in yourself. Keep working hard. Keep reading every single day. Really well done. Enjoy taking this home today, superstar. Well done. On to Year 6, Mr. Davidson. This week's golden ticket winner is somebody who's improved their effort and achievement in every lesson in recent weeks. They regularly offer contributions during whole class discussions, positive and inquisitive about every topic, and respond feverishly to feedback. I love that. Additionally, they've started completing their reading records in much greater detail and about what they've read as well. It's fantastic. They've hugely impressed the Year 16 with their work this half term and should be very proud of themselves. So yeah, I am. Keep it up. Come on in. There is Mahir. Yes, Mahir. Look at that work. Mahir, well done. Hey, absolutely superb. And Muntar and Arafat, we're really proud of you as well. So well done. Enjoy taking your well-deserved golden ticket home today, you superstar. Well done. Finally this morning, Mrs. Musselwhite says, golden ticket this week goes to someone who again never fails to impress. This child never fails to follow instructions, so consequently always hands the best possible work, showing they've done above and beyond. They've made so much improvement in their confidence to speak out in lessons since year 5. It's good to hear their voice so much. They're always here, they always read, and they are making great progress. They really are, because they're just here every day. They have had to wait a long time for their first golden ticket of year 6, but it's thoroughly deserved. I agree. Come on in. Milana, there she is. Yes. Well done, Milana. You absolute superstar. Thank you so much for working so hard, putting so much effort in, being kind and helpful as well. Enjoy taking it home today, superstar. Well done. Wow, what a brilliant effort from everyone. Absolutely brilliant. Well done, everyone. What a fantastic week it has been. And a whole run-up throughout this term. Only one more golden ticket to go next week. This weekend, let's have a little look. Look, sing along to something. Look, let's sing along. Come on, there's Christmas carols out there, there's various things. Let's sing along to something. Or read out loud. Let's all read out loud. Get parents too as well, grandparents, wherever that is. Let's get everyone reading out loud to each other because it's just really lovely to share books. And then get out of breath. Now we can get out of breath. Let's get a bit of exercise. Hey, get some exercise. I know it's dull, it's cold, but actually, if we get out of breath, do some exercise, whether that's indoors or out. Let's do that. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone. Singing along. Hopefully, it will just make people smile as well. Have a great weekend, everyone. And we'll see you all on Monday. Bye-bye now.